everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share my unboxing of this Estee Lauder Holiday Blockbuster 2021. So if you are interested in this set, please keep watching. So Estee Lauder does make this blockbuster package every year with different items in it. I always purchase one for my mom, and this year I got one for myself. So it came with this huge box, as you can see. And when I open it up, we have this beautiful beauty case. It's a kind of a suitcase. And it has here little candy charm. And a bow style of top handle right here. And every item's in this suitcase. So let's open the beauty case together and take a look inside. Okay, so here is the beauty case, and I just adjusted my camera position and you can see the better view. And beauty case is made of kind of fabric and red and pink color combination. They always make this kind of red suitcase every holiday season. So let's open the case. And you guys can see here is the items, and inside of the beauty case is kind of a pink color. Here we have some kind of a booklet. And here are the actual items. We have 9 full-size products plus 3 mini sample size items. So you will get total 12 products of skincare and makeup. I'm going to show you each items. So start with the skincare full size first. So first item is here. This is an advanced Night Repair Face Serum. This is one of the Estee Lauder steady seller and so popular item. It's in a 30mm glass bottle and a full size. I think this is the best product from this package, in my opinion. And next item we have this Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. This is the eye cream. This is a full size as well. Very hydrating and nice formula. I love to use this one. And next item we have a moisturizer. This is the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Creme. And it's in a 30mm, which is a full size as well. So I have been using this cream for a long time, and it's a very good face cream, especially in this kind of a dry winter season. So I love to have this one. And next item is also skincare. It's a makeup remover in a 100mm. Also, it's a full size. I never used this one before, so I would love to try this one. So now we are finishing with the full size of a skincare product. So let's go for check the makeup product right here. This one is a mascara. Here is the shade number 1, Extreme Black. Love to have the black mascara as always. And it looks like this. It's also a full size, 8mm, the Supreme Extreme Mascara in Extreme Black. And next item here we have 2 lipsticks in this special holiday package. So those are the Pure Color Envy lipstick. And then shade number is right here. The first one looks like this. It's a very nice color and I can see something sparkles on it. So let me just do the swatch for you. Very pretty. And the next lipstick we have this one. And let me do the swatch for you as well. So I'm happy with those two color shades and completely different as you can see. Love both color. And next we have this Pure Color NB palette. It's a makeup palette. So let's take a look at this one first. This one is Pure Color NB Eyeshadow Cheek Palette. The name is Candy Glow. Let's open. And colors looks like this. We have 8 different eyeshadows and 1 bronzer. I think this one I can use as a bronzer rather than cheek. So let me do the swatch for you just quickly using my finger, and maybe on here I can show you. Oh, it's very nice. I didn't expect this much prettier color shade. I love them. And here we have another colors. Just try on here. Can you guys see that? And last item here. Try one more time. Yes. I think you can see right now. And this one is a Candy Clam. I'm going to leave all detailed information in the description box below so you can go for check. And colors looks like this. So first here. I don't feel huge difference between Candy Glam and Candy Glow. For me, it's very similar. And let's try the second line. Here. Can you guys see that? I would say this is a Candy Clam, is more cooler tone compared to the Candy Glow. And let's check the cheek color. I try one more time. Very nice. I like it. I like this one. I would like to use this one as a highlighter. Those were the Pure Color NB eyeshadow and cheek palette. And they said they are the full-size product, but I don't know if they are selling this palette individually or not. I didn't expect much about this product, but actually I like them. Okay, now we have 3 items left, and they are all sample size of skincare. Let's take a look each items. This one is an advanced Night Repair Eye Cream, which is you have full size over here, and this is the sample size. And this one is an advanced Night Repair Face Serum, and again we have full size right here, and it's a kind of extra sample size. Comes together, very cute. And last item is here. It's a moisturizer. Again, it's the same cream as this full size product right here. Okay, and we have a beauty case right here. I think I'm gonna use this one as a organizer, or I can store something inside and put on to my closet. Okay, so we have checked all the items in this package. Quantities are limited, so I'm going to leave their website link in the description box down below, so you can go for check it out. This is a very nice gift option for your mom or friends and for yourself. I'm pretty satisfied with my purchase, and it is a very worth the price. It's $99 in Canada. The thing is that you cannot get this only. You must make another $150 to get this blockbuster. But I think it is very worth it. With the $150, you can choose some cleansers or skin toner, which doesn't include it in this package. So you will have a full skincare line. That's what I did. I didn't expect makeup product from this set, but after I checked them, I was surprised that they are so pretty color shade and quality seems not so bad. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, Chloe Idea Collection, same name as this YouTube channel. I am very activated on Instagram and love to connect with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.